All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know where you're at. This is your host with the most. How's everybody doing out there? If you're new here, welcome. Truly glad everybody stopped by. All right. As we all know, Omega is here. Kind of happy for it. Shout out to the realist too, man. I don't really know who this person is. Looks like a new guy on the block. He got some serious stuff out here. You guys should check out. It's on his actual wizard is on the Funster Place repo. Okay, so don't if you guys are familiar with Funster, shout out to Funster too. Okay, let's get into this. Getting a lot of comments and things like that. I don't expect everybody to know what's going on, with the platform. If you don't do it, you don't know. So, been around the block a couple of times. I know what to do and what not to do. I basically, I always leave a video for you guys to follow after the initial video. That's why my videos are shorter, because I have longer videos with step-by-step instructions on how to do things, and I actually talk. If you've seen one, you've seen them all. To me, I'm not sure if you guys are. There's nothing really changing here, okay? And I know you like, man. Well, what am I coming to your channel for? If I don't put this stuff out here, you guys will never see any of these options. No one's really doing it. Everybody has the little glit, the glamour, the thumbnails, and this and that. So all I'm trying to do is get this stuff out here. These people take time to actually compose these things, and I think, they deserve some flowers, man. They deserve, something for taking time out of their day and putting, making this type of stuff. It's always going to be the same whenever you get to any setup. You always want to go into your system, and you always want to go here and just make sure everything's updated. Okay? That's you always want to make sure things are updated before you guys start tinkering around. Another thing that I would, tell you guys, always click into the first thing and make sure you have your video player input stream on. Okay? As you can see, this is not on. In the video in the back, you'll see how to do your video player input stream and stuff like that. I do recommend if you guys are on devices to change your player settings as far as enable HQ scalers. Depending on what type of device you have. I like to have mine on 100. I'm on the Shield. I recommend that. Some people say it doesn't work, but the main thing you always want to do, and you always want to do this, you want to go into the wizard. That's the main thing you really want to do. You want to be able to go into the wizard, and you want to be able to go into your tools and things of that nature. And when you go to tools, what you want to be doing is going to quick config and just picking the appropriate device, and you'll be prompted on what to do after. It might force close and things like that. Let me see the errors though. What's the errors? Not sure what this is. I haven't seen errors in a long time. I think I just did this. I think I just did that one. I'm not sure. I haven't seen that in a minute. And people, don't be afraid to go into the main list, the bills and things like that. Don't be afraid. But that's about it. That's, things you want to do and things you want to get into in any setup. I'm going to sign out. Let me know how you guys like this one. If you get a chance, like, share, and subscribe. But most of all, comment. Please don't forget to hit the notification bells, people. As always, I'm hoping you're having a blessed, peaceful, and a productive day. Love and peace for all. Never forget, it is good to be good, and it is bad to be bad. If you guys need any help, my email will be here. Okay, my email is there. So if you need help, don't come on the channel and start talking about things that we're not supposed to be talking about. It's gonna be hell. It's not gonna. I might not even see it. All right. So I'm gonna see you guys on the next one, y'all. Peace.